Hello world, Heather Thrills here. Let's go through an ab round that's going to burn, but in a really good burn kind of way. And all I'm going to ask you to do is meet me in a high plank. Let's do things we don't want to do because we want things that we don't have, right? So in 10 seconds, I'm going to meet you at the top of a push-up. Press those heels back, push the ground away. We're going to start with plank reaches. So squeeze your core in first, squeeze the glutes, and then reach that left arm forward, slowly lower down. Reach that right arm forward, slowly lower down. So what happens here is when we lift one side, we come into this three-point, keep going, three-point stance, the body starts to compensate. What we're doing is fighting the rotation, really pressing through those heels, squeezing both the glutes as we reach. Keep breathing. We only got 5 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. Drop down, cross your ankles, let the feet come out in front. Easy transition. We're going to go right side only. You're going to bring those hands behind the head. Exhale, bring the right knee to the elbow, and then right leg up. Knee to elbow, toe tap. Knee to elbow, let's get it. Toe tap. We're advancing from these past few weeks, putting these moves together. Exhale, bring it together. Exhale, toe tap. Let's go to the left and knee to elbow. Toe tap. Knee to elbow. Exhale, bring it up. Exhale, tap. We got this, champs. Let's keep it going. Follow your breath. Follow your rhythm. We got it. Let's keep it up. We got 10 seconds on this side. Knee to chest. Tap those toes. Exhale, bring it in. Exhale, up. One more. All right, let's roll up into a sit-up. So hands behind your ears. Exhale, roll it up. And just twist to the right. Roll it back down. Exhale, roll it up. Twist over to the left. Roll it back down. Exhale, up to the right. Let's get it. And to the left. Let's try to do our best. Either match my tempo, beat me, or meet yourself in the moment. Wherever you're at, we got 3, 2, one more. 1. Hands can make a little diamond underneath the tailbone. We're just going to keep the legs low for flutter kicks, pointing the toes away, really pressing the spine into the mat beneath you, squeezing through that core, relaxing head and neck. Just these little kicks. Get into those muscles, those transverse abdominals, those lower abs. Let's keep it going for the last 5. Stay with it. Stay with it. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Let's get it. 3, 2, and drive the ankles up so that they're in line with the knees. And then you're just going to reach your arms up. Reach up for this crunch. And now this is an easy one to cheat on, but I don't like to be cheated on. So let's do it for real. Try to really reach up. Try to bring your shoulders onto your knees. Let's go. We're losing headbands over this. Let's make it happen. Come on, champs. Stay with it to the bell. Non-stop. Keep going. 3, get 2 more in 2, 1, and rest. You can hit a twist. It always feels good after some ab work to relieve the lower back. Or you can do that video all over again and get your 6-pack before summer 2021. Unless you already have it. But I'm super stoked that we just did that together. Thank you so much for watching, for caring. I'm glad I can share with you. So if you loved this, please share it with someone else that maybe you love, or even your enemies. Send this to your enemies and tell them whatever you're going to tell them. But thank you so much. Subscribe, like, comment, all the things. Appreciate the love and support anyway. Ciao.